Hello friends, today I'll be discussing about my book review of What Got You Here Won't Get You There by Marshall Goldsmith. So, in the introduction part, I'll be talking about why is this book important and where to get it. So, let's start with why is it important. As you already know, Marshall Goldsmith is a very famous executive coach who gives management related coaching to various big companies in America and various parts of the other of the world. So this book is not only made for people who are working or they are in the business, it is made for even people who live at home and do work from home or housewives as well. In this book, Marshall Goldsmith tells about various ways in which you commit mistakes by in order for us to win good appreciation or good results. It lists a very common common mistakes that each of us do, even at sitting at home, like passing the buck, shooting the messenger, and taking others' appreciation, goal obsession, and various other things. So first, he gives us a brief insight about all the mistakes, and then whatever is important means whatever the most people commit the mistakes he dedicate is to separate chapters, like goal exception is in the different chapter. So where to get this book? You can get it in Amazon, Flipkart, or in a local nearby bookstore or Sapna. This book is widely available and is one of the amazon.com bestseller as well, so it will not be difficult to find it. Marshall Goldsmith has their own company called Marshall Goldsmith Group, which provides coaching. Now let's talk about advantages and disadvantages. So as I already said, the advantages are that it helps us to become a great person by just reading a book. This book normally costs about 200 to 300 rupees, and if you see about how much you will spend on a private coaching by Marshall Goldsmith, it is very small amount. Usually people can ease people who are having average English also can read this book and improve themselves, but it needs sort of concentration. So as I told you, section 1, section 2, as you can see in the index, acknowledgements. What got you here won't get you there. Means whatever you are having now, following the same technique to get more in life will not be correct. Means you need to keep updating your practice, updating your methods, so that you can become more successful in life with slight modifications. Enough about you. So in this, he just introduces about who am I, who are you, and how to judge your mistakes. Then he says why you resist change. He says about the inertia, and we think that we have always been right. We have followed a methodology and we have become successful. In this, he is telling some most common ideas which occur even to a small child. So everything is given very concise manner, and you can read it and you'll actually enjoy this book. Various case studies are given from his own experience of mentorship, and hence it becomes no less than a storybook. Understanding through an example is much better than simply reading a book of principles, according to me. So what is the disadvantages of this book? Like I said, some people who are not having good English may find it little difficult because some American words are also written over here, and being Indians we don't use much American words. So I recommend them to use the online dictionary, or even better, if you can purchase a new dictionary, you can read from it. Otherwise, this book is all fine for average English speakers. Nextly, if you are reading this book in a month, or even in lesser time, like in 1 hour or 2 hours, then you might feel, that's a general intuition in the first time, that it is better not to speak. Yeah, means it is a mistake that we all commit. This book is made about the mistakes we all commit doing stress, and it is normal to get stressed in today's fast-paced world. An example, and an example of in my life only today it happened. My mother asked me to study one particular course so that I improve my understanding, but I replied back that I did not want to do it, and you shouldn't bother in my work. So this is something that a mistake called shoot the messenger, and the author says you must thank you everyone who is telling you advice, because it is he is telling it for your own good. So I felt really sad after this, and I said sorry also. So if you're reading this book once in 1 month, or like in a 1 hour, then you might think that it is too much has been explained in too less time, and it is hard to implement. I know it is a little hard to implement, but you can take, if you have read many self-help books, you can take at least one good thing which you liked, and you implement it in yourself. So even if you read 10 books, self-help books, then you will get 10 plus qualities, and that will actually elevate you to the next higher level. So this is one thing. This is the main drawback I saw. Otherwise, I would say the page quality is little down, means you'll find some pages being connected like this, so you have to take it out, and it might tear also. That is one drawback, but that is not so much problem. Except that I think so this book is very good self-help book, and you can either go in as a fresher, means first time reading a self-help book, or you can go as repeater, means you can go multiple times on this book, or you can, after reading many other self-help books, you can go for this. You will, after you going for many other self-help books, you will think that this book actually gives many new things, like for new things to learn. And as a result, Marshall Goldsmith is it proves that Marshall Goldsmith is a very good coach, and even with Mark Dieter. So this is my stand on this book. In conclusion, I would say, if you like to improve your life, then go ahead with this book. This book is very good. It doesn't really matter where you are. You're working from home, or you're going to office and working or doing business. This book will be very good, and I would suggest you to read it at least 2 times, because in first time maybe you'll not get most of the things, in the second time you'll get it. And even if you think that price is too much, you can get second hand also, like how I got. So this is it. I hope you like the video, and if any doubts are there, please ask me. Thank you, and have a nice day.